The second characteristic of a person with a caring mindset is being thoughtful. Let me share a story with you. During a flight to see a client, I was traveling in first class. Another passenger was also in first class, sat down in the seat across the aisle from me. The flight attendant asked us if we wanted anything to drink before we took off. I asked for water. The other passenger politely declined. An older gentleman walked past us, entered the coach section. He took a seat in the first row, just beyond our seats in the first class. When the flight attendant returned with my water, she was standing in the passageway between the two cabins. The older gentleman asked her if he could also have a glass of water. He told her he was thirsty. She refused. He asked her again. And again, he mentioned that he was thirsty. She again refused, citing airline policy. The passenger persisted, and the flight attendant also persisted in refusing his request. Keep in mind, we are talking about a glass of water. Clearly annoyed, she explained that drinks were not served in the coach until after takeoff. She did not care that the man was thirsty, perhaps not feeling well. All she cared about was protocol. Rules could not be broken. Exceptions could not be made. Suddenly, the man who sat across from me got up, walked up to the galley, brought the man a glass of water, and handed it to him. Those of us witnessing his actions applauded. The older man thanked him, grateful for the glass of water. The flight attendant glared at both men and walked away. An important part of having a caring mindset is being thoughtful, showing other people you care. This action made me realize that I was not as thoughtful as the man who brought the water to the other passenger. But it did teach me the power of caring and the difference it can make. Being thoughtful means being empathetic, attentive to others, considerate, unselfish, helpful. It means seeing things from another's perspective and trying to understand their point of view. It means breaking the rules for the right reasons. It means being the difference. When was the last time you brought someone a glass of water?